So, hi everyone. Today we are going to be creating an app called Messenger in Code.org app lab like you can message. Okay, so let me just show you how does the app look. So, let me just show you. So, first name is An- Ankita. The second name is Coding. So, let it be Coding. So, I'll choose a picture of it. Okay, so let's just choose a picture for our Ankita and another picture for our coding. Okay, when I hit this login button, so you can see the DP of Ankita and her name. So see, Ankita wants to say what is your name to coding. So I'll press this button. See, it will be automatically displayed here. So if I send coding is his name. Yeah. See, it's a small messenger app, and now I'm going to be explaining how did I do this code. And one more thing, when I press on these buttons, see, it's saying login. It'll directly take us to login. Okay. So how did I? Let's begin with the design. So how did I find these type of screens? So I'll show you. So search in the Google saying login screen. Okay. So this is a quite beautiful images you can make use of. So now I made use of this image which you will get in the internet. So what can you do is you need to do copy image address, okay, and go to designs here, and so I have these screens, so I'll put a new screen, and you can at the bottom you can see, and you need to paste it here. See, you'll get it. Now I don't need this. Before that, I'll show you. So how can we make this to box active? So how can you do is, okay, how can you do make use of, you need to drag and drop these text inputs over them. Okay, if you want you can make these text inputs transparent by putting this background color, the second slider. You can make it fully transparent like this that you cannot see anything. Okay, so after that you can duplicate it. And how to make this login button active now. We are not going to be putting this. You're absolutely correct. We are going to put this label here. Yeah. You can drag and drop these like this. Okay. Now it's done. Over this also you can put some labels. So I don't need these all now. Okay, like this you can make, and this no, these are our two photo select buttons which you can find here. See, when you get, it will be the orange color. You can change the color to whichever color you like. And the chatting screen, so this is an image. As you know, we can drag and drop this image component here. I placed a label here which the user's name will be displayed, and this is a send button, and this is also a label box as I told you. So how can we make this? So you will just get this text. You need to remove the text and go to background color, and you need to choose this type white color. Okay, as you can see, just give me a minute and show you. So let me make a new screen and show you first. Okay, if I give a color to it, since some random color, and I'm going to drag and drop this label component and make this background color. Now it's transparent. So now, okay, you can make white. You should remove the text from it. See, you get these types of message components. So I don't need the screen now. Yeah. So I have made two screens like this. After you do, you can duplicate it. That it will be more easier. Okay. So let me explain you the code. On event, this is the label two is click. It's going to be set screen to screen two. Okay, and set text in. Yeah, I'll show you. Set text in label the ID of this label, and what can we do? We are getting the text from this input, meaning this input. You can do like this, and again for these this one, the third screen. Okay, and again set image URL. That means it will set the user's profile over here, and click get. This also you should put get image URL from photo underscore one. See, this is photo underscore one, the IDs of this. You need to do it for the two components also. So this he the first user is going to be entering his name here, and the second user is going to be entering his name here, right? Okay, again on this event. Okay, on an event when this button one is click create record. So I'm going to be explaining you now what is create records. See, when you go to this data kind of table, you see a table name message here. So when I click it, all the saved of the messages the user is using the app is going to be saved on this create records, because we're creating a column. Okay, you can go to data and find this block called create record. Okay, so how can we do? You see this curly brackets here. In this I put a message, um, uh, the call the two dots here, and get text. So where I get text from this input, which is ID's text underscore input 3. Okay, message is going to be saved in a, table like structure. Okay, and get text from text input 3. So same thing I've done for this button 2. Yeah, okay, the same thing. And set text. What is the set text in label 6 record I dot message? So let me tell you what does this do. It's setting the text in. See if the screen to naming Ankita has sent a message to coding. See, it will get reflect here. I is a variable, and we're putting a dot. And which column is it getting set in a message column? And we are going to be putting here, and we are setting screen to screen 3. And what is this read records block? As I told you, I was supposed to explain this, but sorry, I explained this. So, what is read records block? See, read records is from this table saying message, and you don't need to do in this first line. Okay. See, when you get the read records block, let me just show you. This is a read. You'll see this one. You need to eliminate all these things and do it. Okay. I hope you got it. Okay. Read records are eliminated except the for loop, and set text in record I message. I've told you read records is most important in this uh, like the messaging apps. And I'll tell you that this on event, let me just, when this is clicked, this should open URL. See, I guess I've explained you about this open URL. This is the URL. When you can paste it, you need to like, if you go to sign in, you'll find the URL over here. You can copy paste that here. Okay, this is the code which is going to be getting existed when the app is going to be running. Okay, so let me just show you in this block based coding how does the app look. See, this is how our app looks. as I told you. Now let me just show you how does this work. Like in the big screen, I hope you enjoy my all my videos which I'm posting of the coding. See, now the name will be Ganesh here, and the second username is going to be Ravi. See, Ganesh is going to be selecting this India flag GIF, and Ravi is going to be selecting the solar system picture for his DP. So let us click on this login button. See, Ganesh has successfully created his profile. See, Ganesh is going to be saying, "Hi, Ravi." I'm going to hit this button. See, Ravi is going to be receiving the message saying, "Hi, Ravi." So I sing, "Hi, Ganesh," and press this button here. See, Ganesh is going to be receiving this message. So we did this app on code.org app lab. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and don't. If you have any doubt, you can ask me at the comment section below. Thank you.